In this video, we are going to talk about routes in our Laravel application. You can find the routes in your root directory inside routes folder and web.php file. If we open this, in here you guys can see we have a default route already defined for us, which is our root or index route. So I'll in here, as you guys can see, it started with the route, then colon gate. This gate is the route type. We have multiple types. If we come to our Laravel documentations, let's open the documentation, select the basics and select the routing. Scroll down in the basic routing, and in here we can see, let's scroll down here, available route methods. In here you guys can see we have gate, post, port, patch, delete and options, which we can use inside our route. Then after the gate we have this section whi- which represent the URL that the user sent to our Laravel application. After that we have a callback function which returns a view, and our views are stored in resources, views and our view name, which is welcome.blade.php. We will learn later about this. For now, just remember that when you are creating a view, you have to add blade.php at the end of this. So if we open it, there's a simple HTML. Now let's run our application. Let's open the terminal. You can open terminal from the view and select the terminal or by pressing the shortcut. So let's open our project. Let's type here PHP artisan serve and hit enter. Let's open this. Okay, this is our application. Now in here, as you guys can see, this is the view which the routes return to us. Now let's open our project. In here we can, let's comment this out. We can create our own route. For example, if I want to create a new route, I will just type route gate, and after that I will mention the URL in here. So in here for now just slash, then after that I will create a callback function. So let's type function, and inside here I can return a view or I can return any text I want. For example, hello from Laravel. Now let's save this. Let's go back to our project, refresh. Now we got our text. Same, we can create another route just below this. We can type route gate. This time about, we will name it about, and we will create a callback function. So let's type function, and inside the function let's return another text. In this, let's type about us. Save. Let's add a semicolon here also at the end of our route. Now let's go back, and in here let's type slash about. Enter. So we got this text.